Okay, so you have learned how to write the number or the amount in the decimal form. Okay, hope it is clear. But still, one more example I'll give. Very simple example. 9 rupees 10 paise. Okay. Now this is given as rupees and paise. Clearly rupees and paise is mentioned, and your question will be write it in the decimal form. How to write? 9 rupees. So rupees is one side. Point 10 paise. And symbol we should not forget, because this is rupees and paise. Without symbol will not come to know. So how to write this? 9 rupee or rupees 9.10. That's it. Very simple. Only thing is, if there is only one digit here, insert 0 before that. If it is 5, don't write 50. Write 05. If you write 50, it will be considered as 50. So write 0. Okay. Now this is about writing in the decimal form. Now sometimes decimal form will be given and you have to write it in rupees and paise. I already have explained it. Like now this is in the decimal form. Rupees and paise is not given. Correct? It's in the decimal form. How to come to know that it is in decimal form? Because there is a decimal point. That's it. So now we have to write it in rupees and paise. How to write? Before decimal point, what is that? 64. So it will be like 64 rupees and 25 paise. That's it. From there to here, here to there. Okay. Sometimes the question will be like, now write this in the as rupees and paise. Now decimal point is not given. Instead of that, there is a fraction given. The fraction is not 10, I will not give. I give it as 35. Okay. The fraction is 35 by 100. In the beginning only I said decimal is nothing but the fraction which has the denominator 10, 100 or 1000 or so on. So when there is a denominator 100, we can write it as decimal form. Again the same, 58 in 58 form. 58 rupees. Understood? 35 paise it is, okay? Here nothing to worry much. 35 is your numerator. That is nothing but paise. Okay? Is that clear? Because if there is a denominator 10, 100 or 1000, 10,000, lakh and all, you can write it as a decimal form, and the above number you can write it as a paise. That's it. Hope this is clear. Fine. Now, let us solve some textbook exercise of this converting to decimal form and writing as rupees and paise. So, I want you to open your textbook and page number 112. So, kindly open your textbook, page number 112. 112 this page. Okay. Write down today's date. If you are ready, then fine. If not, just pause and open your book. Write down today's date. See the first main, do. Okay. Write as rupees in decimal form. Here it's given as rupees and paise. You have to write it in decimal form. This side you see, write as rupees and paise. Decimal form is given. You have to write it as rupees and paise. So both means are same here. Do and practice is same. Do I will do, practice for your homework. It's your homework. Okay, now don't wait. Now I will read one by one question. I want you to listen now. Then I will give the time now, you can just copy. So first one, 34 rupee 85 paise. How to write in decimal form? 34 rupee, 34 and 85 paise. That's it. Don't write now. Next, 62 rupees 70 paise. Again, 62 rupee and 70 paise. What you have to remember, I said, children? Yes, one is simple, the other one is after point there should be 2 digits. Only after, before there is no limitation. Next, A, B, C. 353 rupee and 25 paise. So it's simple. And D, 872 rupee and 87 paise. Yes. Second, this side. Now it's given in decimal form. You have to write it as represent paise. First one, rupees. It's given as one question I am writing 548.45. So how to write rupees as paise? 548 rupees. It's given. You have to just fill this number. 45 paise. Okay. Got it? Next, B. How you will write? What is rupees? What is paise? 37 rupees. In paise column, what you will write? 0. Okay. 37 rupees, 0 paise. Clear? Next. 68 and 5 by 100. I told you I have given you an example also. Now how to write that? 68 rupees correct. In pieces, and what you will write in that blank? 5 by 100. So you can just write 5. Or you can write 05 also. As I said, 2 digit, no? To avoid the conflicts. Here, if you write 5, it's correct. But when you use decimal point, it should be 05. But still, to avoid the confusion, you write 05 only. That's better. Now, 89, 75 by 100. So, 89 is rupees and 75 paise. Rupees and 75 is paise. Okay. So that's it. First main answers are written. You please copy these answers. Now pause the video because this video is I'll not end the video now. Or else I'll end the video. Okay. But pause the video and write down the answers. And next, second main, practice main, write here HW. Please don't do it now. Don't do it now. After class you have to do. So write HW here. This one complete now. But this is your homework. And one more blank is there. Let us solve that afterwards. Okay. So it's clear now. First main, the completed answers are there on the board. Second main is your homework. In the same way you have to write. This is using decimal point. This is as rupees and paise. And this main we'll do in the next part, and we'll discuss about the word problems also. I said that the chapter is very simple. So just pause the video and complete this.